It can be frustrating when your refrigerator's ice maker stops working right. Maybe your old ice bin cracked. Perhaps it no longer collected ice efficiently. It felt like a leaky bucket, always losing its precious cargo. This replacement is your solution. The ALVAR Samsung Ice Container DA97-20156A makes a big difference. It brings peace of mind, thus making ice simple. This bin is built strong. Indeed, it handles daily use easily. You will love its performance. Installation is surprisingly easy. First, remove the old, broken part. Next, slide this new ALVAR Samsung Ice Container DA97-20156A into place. It fits perfectly, just like a missing puzzle piece. This container is compatible with many Samsung models. Moreover, it feels sturdy and durable. Consequently, ice cubes drop smoothly now. No more frustrating jams or spills. Furthermore, the material feels robust, therefore, it should last for years. It's a true upgrade. Finally, you can enjoy fresh, abundant ice. This ALVAR Samsung Ice Container DA97-20156A is a valuable addition. It ends your ice maker troubles. The product performs reliably, therefore, you can trust its quality. It works like a charm. This replacement ensures a steady supply of ice. Indeed, it is a practical investment. Overall, it's a highly recommended product. You will be very happy. Pros: worked with our Samsung refrigerator, plug-and-play replacement, better than the original. Container: slid right in, easily remove it to dump ice, fits perfectly with original latch, perfect fit. Perfect replacement, fits and works great. Direct replacement, easy peasy, works better than the original, came with everything needed, great price. Cons: same as old assembly, no instructions for extra part, hope it doesn't break again. Features: upgraded design, ice container assembly, compatible with Samsung, replaces DA97-20156B, fits RF28R7201 Steradian, fits RF28HMEDBSR, fits RF28R6201 Steradian, refrigerator ice maker part, ice bin included. Easy to replace. This is an upgraded ice container for Samsung refrigerators. It's designed to replace part number DA97-20156B. This assembly fits several Samsung models, including the RF28R7201 Steradian, RF28HMEDBSR, and RF28R6201 Steradian. It includes the ice bin and is easy to replace. This ALVAR DA97-20156A ice container is a great replacement for Samsung refrigerators. It's a plug-and-play part, meaning it's super easy to install. It just slides right in. Many users found it to be a perfect fit and even better than the original ice bin, making it easy to remove and dump ice. It works with models like the RF28R7201 Steradian, RF28HMEDBSR, and RF28R6201 Steradian. And it's a direct replacement that fits perfectly with the original latch. It's also noted for its great price and that it comes with everything you need. Although some wished for instructions for an extra part,